friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share DIY jewelry hacks. Without wasting any more further time, let's get started. For my first hack, I'm going to customize my bangles and give it a new look. For that you need any blouse hangings and you need a thread of the same color of the bangle. Take thread and insert it in the hole of the blouse hanging. Tie a knot so that it will stay in place. And finally tie this thread to the bangle. Tie 2 or 3 knots so that it will be strong. Now cut the excess thread. Now our customized bangles are ready. You can see how good they look. For my second hack, I'm going to make my own trendy earrings. For that you need any paper clips and earring hooks. You can choose paper clips according to your choice. Now take a paper clip and insert this earring hook into this paper clip. So similarly repeat the same process to make other earring also. And our stylish trendy earrings is ready. I hope you like this. It looks really very trendy. I absolutely love it. Hack number 3. Look at these earrings, how pretty and how beautiful they are. But I can't use these earrings because one of my earring back is missing. But don't worry, I have an idea. So to fix this, you need any earplugs, or you can use makeup sponge. Or you can use a water can plastic cap. And finally I will give you another option, that is eraser. Whatever is available with you, you can use that one. Today I'm going to use this earplug. Just you need to cut this. Already it is round in shape, so just cut 2 pieces of this earplugs. Now insert this sponge in the back of the earring. So this earring will help to pierce that sponge. And you're done. So in this way you can fix this problem. Number 4. So this hack is all about earring organizing hack. Coming to the small earrings, we'll throw here and there, and whenever we are in hurry mode, we'll find one and miss the other. At that time, this hack will be really very useful, especially for me. So try this hack. Just place both the earrings in this button, and next time you will find your earrings in place. So try this hack, it really works and it's very useful for everyone, I think. So this is all about hack number 4. And my final hack and hack number 5 is about finger rings. When comes to finger rings, it's really very easy to put adjustable finger rings according to our size. So it is easy to place and remove our finger rings. But coming to this type of earrings, they are not adjustable, and you can see the back, it's not a resizable finger ring. Once we place the finger ring, when it is tight, it's really very difficult to remove it from our finger. So for that, I'm having one hack. Just take any moisturizer or any Vaseline. Take little amount of this Vaseline and apply it on your finger, upside and downside of your finger ring. Just move it like this and apply it. Immediately don't remove it. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove it so that the finger ring gets the skin of the particular area gets softened, and it's really very easy to remove that finger ring. I hope all these hacks may be helpful for you, and I have already made another video on jewelry hacks. I will provide the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next video, see you, bye.